Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part two with the join nodes not working because it's an ellipse. And before I had to go through here and change these to curves, and there's a lot of them that were, like this is ellipse. So you'd have to go through and change it. And the viewer that sent me the original file said he read, and this works. I'm going to select everything, and I wouldn't think this would work, but you combine it. And then you can open up your Docker Windows, Dockers, join curves, and it will join the curves. Let's zoom in here. See how those curves are broken? But since we combined it, I didn't have to turn anything into curves. And when I joined the curves, then it worked. So you could save a step by just tracing or selecting the whole thing and combine it instead of having to change these into curves. It'll save you one step. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.